Ever found yourself at a loss for words? Imagine a world where every conversation is a breeze, where every interaction brims with confidence. Welcome to the universe of How to Talk to Anyone, a book that peels back the layers of communication, offering you the keys to unlock any conversation. Think of it as your guide to the hidden language of connection, a blueprint to bridge any gap. No more awkward silences, no more missed opportunities. With this book, you'll learn to navigate any social situation with ease, charm, and wit. Whether you're a novice starting out or a seasoned professional looking to refine your skills, How to Talk to Anyone will revolutionize the way you communicate. Now, you might be wondering, where can I find such a treasure? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply head over to Amazon, search for How to Talk to Anyone, and voila, the world of eloquent conversation is at your fingertips. So why wait? Embark on your journey to masterful conversation today, because the power to talk to anyone is the power to change everything.